Na kabenta ki khubor baman kasni page but subscribe ya u antor news. Kublai bhi baroh kini longi khubor bamda kasni. USP ke East Khas Hills uba Sylvester Nongtnger IPS ulayathu ki pulit ke East Khas Hills kila kem hadu shi phongot ki record ka seng New Trap National Youth Front HNYF namar ka jingbat bat pen phai ye ki Kali Tourist ka Assam ha tengar ki batmu banet shaki jaka Jngohkai so ra badau ki hne kasngi tho ding Superintendent ki police ke East Khas Hills ba Sylvester Nongtnger uyathu kini ki phongot kila syakem bala register case persai ki barkaan kanyat katkum ka kamram jongka ha kaju kapor uyathu pamenta katnat kalabatha ya baroh ki police station banlong ki bapet ngor bha ya kayat kayeng jong ki nong penthut bar katnat kalabu ya ki pulit Pahara halakilat ki dong jong ki jaka Jngohkai pyrthei ke East Khas Hills namar kate ka jingjai ki Kali Assam khnang manum penthut shushu lakhot ye ka jingya trailang jong ki rang ba shnong ki badon ki jaka Jngohkai pyrthei banyarap ya ki pulit
Well, today the 26th July 2024 at about 11 a.m. we came to know that certain NGOs are doing checking vehicles at Jngohkai Junction, thereby preventing all the vehicles having a registration from Assam or for going either to Sora or Konusla area. On knowing this, we dispatch a team from Sora that is led by SDPO, OC Sora, and also a team from Mongap police stations and a special team from Shillong City we sent to the spot and OC Sora and team of officers on reaching there, they allowed all the vehicles which has been stranded at Jngohkai Junction and thereby 10 members of HNYF were picked up and case was registered at Mongap police stations. They have been registered under the appropriate section of law. Hoi dak leng changi ngin nak penbuon bat penjur ka jingbo ki police jangi ngi ong deployment haki cakaba badai bandan kamban bu tengah nado lesha ngin bu round the clock kidon ki police jangi nam bat pe ka safety but security jong ki tourist kinolai nangwan ki bawan Assam bat nakui ki states bawan Jngoh Shasora lan ispo Punsula lan ispo doki hoi ni la issue direction shabar khoi ki police stations shaki oppose banlong ki babingor nam taka suka sign bat kamkam nam taka security jong ki tourist ki bawan Jngoh shikani ka state jong la don kanoi ki jingje basosi ne kini dairu kila ban phone shaki OCIC jongi bada shangi lane phone yo number hispa khana the phone yo number hispa khana kan connect by shaki police station sponsor lane connect shak jono no ba kidon kap nga request na kapar ya barkoi ki ba dan kanoi ki jingje dan kam ki police dial yo number hispa khana kat bangin ade ki briwi kadon ki jingjuna national tangta rei na kleng jong East Khas Hills police ni tray kat bala nam tak suka sign but nam tak security jong kashnong kathau jong ki jaibril jong ka Meghalaya but kumjuru ye ki bre ki bawana bar ban Jngohkai shakini ka ri ba i jong man kasni kadon ke meeting na ha ka level jong ki thana ki khot ka CLG meeting man ki police stations man ki opus ki khot meeting be ki rang bashnong ki khot be ki senglokmi ki khot ki samla bat khot bat khoi ki dong joki ki don ki ladon ka ladon ki meeting zaman kasing ki perlong ekta nam ka kasuk sign but amdei tang kene ban counter ki drugs no pendu jai ki drugs intai ngi ladon ka meeting zaman kasing taki officer jeng la dei po positions lene dei po opus